Hey, so I got this item to review from the manufacturer, so I'd make a video about it. It's a premium wireless speaker. Let's see if it actually says the brand. It's an EXPOWER, and that's how it says inside. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Alright. So here's the manual. It is the EXPOWER EX-S777 EX-S777 Bluetooth speaker. Here's a little guide. This is the first time I'm opening it, so looks like a pretty good guide. Some nice pictures. Of course, it's a Bluetooth speaker. Looks like it comes with an audio cable also and a charging cable. So first, I've got this nice little drawstring bag. There's another review from another EXPOWER product I'm posting along with this if you're on YouTube, and so this is fairly similar to that one, at least so far. Here's the actual device. You get this nice, kind of cool looking orange aux cable, little red carabiner, and it's an interesting USB cable. Presumably this is to charge the unit, but it's able to mail USB-A, I guess, which is kind of unusual. I would expect like a USB micro or something, or mini, but anyways, here's the get this box out of the way. Here's the unit itself. So looks fairly rugged, like this rubberish material, which is really common on these, I found. Pretty solid, you know, got some weight to it, feels good. The little wheel, kind of iPod, the old iPod-esque. Power button in the middle, so hold it to turn it on. Presumably this acts the same way as many Bluetooth speakers. So we'll go ahead and get it paired up to my iPad here, and we'll see how it sounds. So yeah, I just turned it on. I'm just going to go to the Bluetooth settings on my iPad. Alright, Bluetooth. So that was the, there we go. The S777. That one was the other one I reviewed. Connected right up. There you go, you got a little chirp. So one thing about these is, I'm presuming this is the front, but kind of hard to tell. And they all look the same from every angle, so this looks like it's a little mount, or a way to sit it on the side, so presumably this is the front. We'll find out here in a second when I get us some music. Let me find, alright. Something interesting, and I don't have a lot of experience with these Bluetooth items, but it looks like this reports its battery life to the iPad to display next to the little Bluetooth logo. So you can, see if I can clear that up right there. Kind of cool. All right, so there it's playing. Of course, volume controlled from the iPad itself. Gets pretty loud. Oh, muted it. Sorry. So there you go. Sounds pretty good. You got your play pause, which works. Forward, backward, which tries to start the next video, which is neat. And like that. So let's pause that. Let's try the phone button. Might not do anything with the iPad. Presumably you can start a phone call that way. Let's see. Oh, and you can also adjust the volume on this guy by holding the plus minus button. Sorry, I'm just looking through the manual here. A couple other notes. It's a 7,000 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty big. Pretty good manual here. Let's see. Yep, so that button's the answer phone button. Well, it looks like a phone, obviously. Let's see, looks like there's a mic here. I bet that's the microphone. We got a little line-in jack, kind of in a strange place, in my opinion. I don't know. Sits like, I don't know, it seems anything would be on the side. Here I get is the charging. This is a Oh wow. So we got the button to show battery power. I didn't charge it. This is how it came. So it looks like it uses the same DC in jack for DC out, which is kind of unusual. Yeah, I don't know. The seal looks pretty good. Better than some of the other ones that these little flimsy things. This is much easier to put in, seal it. Yeah, I mean, I like it. It seems pretty durable. I wouldn't have any hesitation taking this thing out, playing with it, using it to go to the beach or whatever. It's water resistant, they say, but try not to get it wet since water is corrosive. I wouldn't take this thing. I don't think don't take this thing underwater. But if you're out by a pool, might get splashed. I think it'd be pretty good. Yeah, pretty good unit. Not really a complaint, but I still find it really unusual that it uses a male A to A. I wish it would just come with like a USB micro. I mean, you use that cable for a ton of things. You use it to charge it, and if you have a device that uses it, you got 2-in-1. I guess this simplifies it. Sounds pretty good, gets pretty loud. Not a whole lot to say. There's a lot of these things out there. They all do about the same kind of thing in terms of features, so kind of finding one with a good price and going with it. So if you're definitely looking at this one, I definitely think it works well. You're not going to have any problems there. Seems like a nice built unit. Sounds good. So, alright guys, thanks for watching.